She speak English?
No, I have to translate.
What?
I have to translate to her.
No, she speak English. No.
A little bit.
Where are you from?
Serbia.
Serbia. Okay, please. Close to the edge.
Stani na ivicu. Na ivicu blizu.
Put your hands.
Ruke uvis. Uhvati se za peraja. Za peraja se, zagrli ga. Go. Woo! Kiss? Poljubac? Zagrli ga? Aplauz! Good, thank you.